Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon dito sa downtown Toronto dahil gusto naming puntahan guys yung isang restaurant na matagal na naming gustong puntahan pero palagi itong pinipilahan ng tao. Ito yung Gyubi Japanese Grill Restaurant. So naglalakad kami guys para pumunta doon dahil nag-take kami ng subway. So ito guys ang downtown Toronto. At nandito na kami guys, nakarating na kami dito sa restaurant na aming kakainan. Wednesday ngayon guys, 5 PM na. At ngayon kami pumunta dahil every weekend naming binabalak na kumain dito pero hindi kami makapasok sa dami ng pila. Pinipilahan talaga nila guys. That means maganda ang kanilang service at ang kanilang pagkain. Good timing ang pagpunta namin guys dahil wala kaming reservation pero napaupo kami kaagad. At ito na guys, naka-order na kami ng aming mga pagkain na igigrill. At ang kagandahan dito, palagi nilang pinapalitan yung screen ba ng barbecuehan. Dito sa pagkain namin dito, bale, naka-3 palit sila ng screen. Hindi nila hinahayaan na masunog yung mga pagkain doon at hindi nila pinapalitan. Palit sila ng palit guys. Tuwing o-order kami, papalitan na naman nila ng bago kaya siguro gustong-gusto ng tao kaya ito pinipilahan. At buti na lang ngayon weekdays na tsambahan namin at kami ay nakapasok kaagad. At good timing din yung aming pagpunta dahil 5:15 nandito na kami, tamang-tama wala pang masyadong tao.
watching as the world comes crashing down. Sun and moon no longer work to make the days go round. Passing by all the times I could never decide. Now I'm stuck going along the ride.
Yan naman, may mga bulaklak na sila dito, oh. Ayan, mga tulips at yung daffodil. Ayan, meron din sila. Yan. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan. So yan, tapos na kaming kumain, guys. Pauwi na kami, umulan. Ito ang itsura ng downtown. Tayon. Let's go na. Careful. Yan, pasok na kami sa subway. Na in peace.
Next station is Queen's Park. Queen's Park Station.
Endless hours spent at home alone, stepping stones into what always seems to be unknown. Struck down in this battle of what is wrong or right.
Daming inaakyat na escalator, dalawa na matataas.
But now I see things in a different light. Nothing's meant to last forever, but sometimes things take time. Even when I fall, I still give my all. Small things don't define. Take things as they come, and not before their time. I may hit a wall, but I'll still stand tall, 'cause small things don't define. watching as the days start passing by, sitting there worrying about what may never come by, having every thought and doubt that makes me wonder why I was stuck in the fight or flight. But now I'm setting sights above the sky. Nothing's meant to last forever, but sometimes things take time. Even when I fall, I still give my all. Small things don't define. Take things as they come, and not before their time. I may hit a wall, but I'll still stand tall, 'cause small things don't define. Nothing's meant to last forever, but sometimes things take time. Even when I fall, I still give my all. Small things don't define. Take things as they come, and not before their time. I may hit a wall, but I'll still stand tall, 'cause small things don't define.